how to make my TikTok videos go viral. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the home page of TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Then, you need to select Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Privacy. After that, you need to select the option Suggest your account to others. Toggle on these options from this page. Then, go back and once you're in the profile page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom panel. Select a timer and start recording your video. Select the tick mark on your bottom right corner. Then, once you're done, tap on the next button. Tap on this option Everyone can view this post. Make sure that everyone is selected in the menu. You can add a catchy description for this video and also use trendy hashtags to get more reach. Once you're done, hit the post button from the bottom panel. And once the video has been uploaded publicly, tap on the profile icon again. Now, all you need to do is wait for the video to get viral. So, by following these easy steps, you can make your TikTok videos go viral.